Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the Euro US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar was actually very sideways. It's still kind of respecting this fib level. It does almost look like it could end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, and that we're actually in a wave 5 right now. And if we are in a wave 5, it is likely to go down to a lower Fibonacci level, and then that would also possibly cause this top right here to become a bottom, which does seem pretty likely. But so far it really hasn't proven that it's not holding here, and I'm still definitely looking for that impulsive move up. I'm still looking for a nice break and hold above these structures to really prove that this wave C is over. Just definitely be a little bit cautious. It may make another pump down to the 61.8 before it does it, and who knows, maybe this really is a wave C, and maybe it just continues to make lower lows and lower highs. So as long as it does continue this lower high series, you really should be a little bit cautious about your longs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions, and it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.